Welcome back to the new day. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back in a new video. So, we have completed three sessions basically. So, we are heading towards the session 4. Give me a minute. So, session 4 is all about test your grammar. You know very well that I am giving the guidance that how you can improve your English and how you can speak English confidently and fluently. That is why I'm here to help you, and I have a very great book for you. I would like to tell you the name also of that book, which is really helpful for me, and it will be helpful for you also. Word Power Made Easy, published by the Chan. So test your grammar. Test 1, essay. If your English is every bit as good as average, you will have no difficulty making a proper choice in at least 8 of the following 10 sentences. So there are the 10 sentences, and I will going to speak and you will going to repeat with me. This is your task for today in today's video. So just repeat with me what I am telling. So here we go. There is a beautiful moon out tonight. There is a beautiful moon out tonight, and Estella and I are going for a stroll. Estella and I are going for a stroll. Would you like to come along with? Would you like to come along with? She and I, her and me. Second, your husband does not believe. Your husband does not believe that you are older than. So what will be there? I or me? So there will be you are older than me. Your husband does not believe that you are older than me. Maybe we are not as rich as they or them. You have to tell me that what will be there. But I bet we are a lot happier. Yes. I'm going to read again. Maybe we are not as rich as they or them. You have to give me the in the comment section what will be there. But I bet we are a lot happier. So money can't buy happiness. Money can't buy health. So there are the several things which money can't buy. Money can't buy happiness. Money can't buy your health. So if you want to keep be healthy, you have to do the exercise. You have to do swimming. You have to do athletics. You have to do running, cycling, push-ups, whatever you like. But if you want to be happy, so there is a one thing, peace. Like you want the peace, others also want the peace. Even the people, even the animals, even the trees. So if they want the peace, you want the peace, so everything will be in peace. So heading towards the next, does your child still lie down for a nap after lunch? Does your child still lie down for a nap after lunch? Again, second, number 5. When we saw Mary openly flirting with Neil's husband, when we saw Mary openly flirting with the Neil's husband, we we could not hardly believe our eyes. We could not hardly believe our eyes. So this is the right. Could or could not. So there will be the could not. You should have. You should have put more gin into the martini. Martini is a dish. You should have put more gin into the martini. Next, number 7. Does your company leave or let? You have to give me the answer. You have as long a lunch break as you would like. Next, Harriet feels that her brother-in-laws or brother-in-law, so there will be brother-in-law are impossible to get along with. Next, what what kind of car are you looking for? Suppose you are going in a showroom to buy a car. So a salesperson will ask you, sir, what kind of car are you looking for? Ask the salesman. So what I am told you. Mrs. White was delighted. Mrs. White was delighted that the Fennels had invited John and she or her what will be there to their party. Again I am speaking, Mrs. White was delighted that Fennels had invited John and to their party. So there will be the her. So again test. It is the which was the easy test and now this is the harder test. So I would like to give you the brief also. Choose correctly at least 7. So they are the 10 sentences and I'm going to read and you will going to repeat with me. I will also give you the questions so you can give me the answer in the comment section. Next, what effect or effect has new administration had on investor confidence? What effect you have to find the correct effect or effect what would be there has the new administration had on investor confidence. Second, a feeling of one's worth is one of the principal or the principal. You have to find the principal or the principal goals of the psychological therapy. There is no sense in or of carrying on that way. I cannot remember who or whom it was. The infant lay or laid quietly sucking its thumb. So we will do the next session on tomorrow. See you in the next video, but before ending this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and share and like the video, and you have to give me the answer in the comment section so I would get to know that you are really learning. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.